Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we are going to discuss 5 most useful Android apps you need to install. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. Android is undoubtedly one of the most popular mobile operating systems, known for its versatility. It lets developers access an open-source project with minor restrictions, helping them give life to almost every possible idea. As a result, users can access millions of free apps that increase productivity, improve lifestyles, entertain, and more. The free collection of apps on the Google Play Store offers a variety of useful features, catering to almost all problem cases one can think of. Users have uncountable apps at their disposal that simplify taking notes, managing their finances, practicing mindfulness, editing videos and photos, analyzing data, and more on their phones. This video will highlight 5 useful Android apps with features that one cannot miss. Here are some of the best Android apps that one needs to install right now. 1. Pocket. The simple idea behind Pocket lets users save, read, and listen to news, stories, and videos anytime they want. One can save the latest stories, news, articles, and videos from any device, publisher, or app and access their saved collection at their convenience. Users can also access saved content offline and on Android, iOS, and other devices. Pocket offers a unique user experience that caters to a relaxing reading experience. Users can listen to articles and even declutter the article's appearance to lessen distractions. They can also access dark and sepia themes to make the experience more relaxing, especially at night. Basic features are free, but one can choose to go premium and unlock more powerful features like unlimited highlights and exclusive fonts. 2. Monify. Tracking one's daily budget can become extremely convenient with Monify's helpful offering. Users only have to add the amount details each time they make a purchase to keep everything on track. Even though remembering to add every purchase to the list can seem overwhelming, Monify promises to make it easy. Monify also offers widgets that help users add transactions quickly and make it easier to view statistics. Accessing your financial timeline is also pretty easy. Just swipe. Monify is completely free to use on your Android and iOS devices. 3. Notebook. As its name suggests, Notebook is an efficient way to take notes on visually appealing backgrounds. It is regarded as the best alternative to the popular Evernote. The intriguing interface will leave users wanting to return and log notes. It also lets users add checklists that are useful for daily and shopping purposes. Notebook offers more than 30 cover designs and allows users to choose between square and landscape-shaped notes. It also lets users pinch notes to stack them together. The Android app is free to download and is completely ad-free as well. 4. Blinkist. Love reading but don't have the time to finish books? Try Blinkist. Use the free Android app to garner key insights from thousands of non-fiction books and podcasts. With Blinkist, one can go through a summary of their favorite books and podcasts in 15 minutes or less. Users don't have to worry about Blinkist collection as the app hosts almost all the leading titles in popular genres like history, psychology, creativity, productivity, and more. The app's Shortcast feature allows users to listen to popular hosts' summaries of fan-favorite podcast shows. The app is free to download, but one has to subscribe to a plan to unlock all the features. That said, it's an excellent investment for those who nurture a reading hobby. 5. Neuronation. Want to jog your cognitive function regularly? Neuronation may be the most convenient and fun way to do so. It trains your brain and memory through teasers and helps you improve focus, logic, and memory. One also has the option to choose a training package depending on their needs. Neuronation offers a free package with a large selection of games, puzzles, and more. However, one can also choose to go premium and access more training features. Sessions include fun and challenging games, letting you make the most of them. You can also keep track of your friends' performances and compare your results with them. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can, that really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.